Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a summer 2019 FABFITFUN unboxing. So this is what the box looks like. I have partnered with FABFITFUN as always for this video. I partnered with them for like the past literally 6 boxes and it's just really fun. It's just like a chill. I always say that. I say this before every video, but it's just like a chill video. I just like to unbox these and it's like, it really does feel like a Christmas present. I always forget that this is coming and then I'm like, oh, it's here. Like, I don't know. It's something to look forward to for every season because it does come out seasonally. It comes out summer, fall, winter, and then spring. Each box is $49.99 and it has always over a $200 value. There's that, and then this one specifically I like because it's usually cruelty-free. They take that into consideration, which a lot of the boxes, subscription boxes don't. So in that way, it's a little bit unique. Plus, you can customize it if you are a member. So I'll talk about that in a second. But new thing, it now ships to the UK. So if you want to order this now and you live in the UK, I had a lot of people always messaging me about that. And they're like, why doesn't it ship to the UK? So now you can. So if you are in the UK or if this is your first time trying it, you can use my code, which is Kiki, and you can get $10 off your first box. So it'll make it $39.99. A great deal. So here we go. This is the box right here. Like I said, opening it up. I actually haven't really gone through this that much. I usually look through it a little bit. I literally have not had the time. Every box, it always comes with all these little like cards, always HelloFresh, and then always like something else where you can get like a coupon code. And then you always get a magazine. So I kind of like this because magazines are just, they're a thing of the past, you know, and I just kind of like them. I was actually at Barnes & Noble the other day and I just have to go through the magazine section because I feel like I want to get back into magazines. So anyway, this is kind of like one of those things. But then it tells you what you can get. So if you customize, if you become a member, you can customize, and it's a huge deal because you'll see in this one, there's a lot of things that I would have customized differently, if I can be totally honest. When you're like a person that partners with them, they send you the box and you don't really get to pick, you know, if I'm being honest. But if you are like if you're just ordering it yourself and you are a member, you get to choose everything. So depending on your selection of items, you could have had up to $467 worth of stuff in your box. So it just, you can, you know, sometimes if you want to customize, you can go for like the highest valued box ever and just pick stuff solely on what's valued highest. But I'll kind of talk about the stuff that I probably would have gotten instead, just because there is some stuff in here that like I would have chosen differently. But that's why it's so important to be a member, because you get that option and it just is unique to you. Let's go through here, and I'll also kind of try to shout out how much this stuff retails for. First thing I'm gonna pull out, this is what the box looks like on the inside, by the way. The presentation's pretty good, you have to admit. So first thing I'm pulling out, I'm very excited about this, is the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel from Sol de Janeiro. So it looks like this. I forgot what this smells like. I've gone through one of these before and it's truly, oh my god, it smells just like their Bum Bum cream, but it's like it's super moisturizing. I love to use this when I shave actually, and it really, like, you never come out feeling like tight and dry. I always feel like that after the shower, but this is truly something where it's so good. This retails actually for $45 and it's actually a bestseller on Sephora because I've looked it up before for whatever reason. I think I was linking it or something, but it's good. It's one of those luxurious like bath products. Like I've said this before, FABFITFUN has some of the best, like I found some of the best bath products in a FABFITFUNs that I never would have ever used before. So anyway, speaking of Sol de Janeiro, we also have, oh, this comes together. Oh, this is like, oh, okay, so if you chose this, you get both of these. Oh, that's why it's $45. Okay. So if you chose this, you would have got both of these together. This is what I was saying it smells like. This is just the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. This is the one that's like their best seller and what they're pretty much known for. It smells so good. Like I said before, I used this like all when I was on a Disney vacation with my boyfriend's parents, and it always reminds me of it now. But it truly, I feel like it like fills in cellulite and it like plumps your skin up. It's so good, so moisturizing. I love this stuff. It's like truly, I believe the hype with that stuff because it's that good. But yeah, so that's the first thing I got. You also could have chosen a mini blow dryer, which is actually good, and it was a soft touch marble. Here's the picture right here. This is the Sutra, and that would have been a $60 value, or you could have chosen a lotus flower towel that was valued at $50, and you could use it for the beach. It's like really cute. It's down here. This is the lotus towel. So I don't know, I just kind of like to show you what you could have gotten as well. Oh, you also could have gotten a kimono. So you also could have gotten this right here, this wrap. I actually, okay, so I would have picked, yeah, I would have picked the Sol de Janeiro if I got to choose. And that's probably, to me, what I would have gone for, although not valued at the highest. So anyway, so next we have a Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask from Generation Clay. So this is actually something everybody gets in their box. What does this do? Packed with Davidson Plum, the purple mask works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. Retails for $39. I like the packaging, I have to say that. Let me smell it. I'm like all about smell, you guys know. If it doesn't smell good, I'm probably just not gonna use it. Yeah, it smells pretty good. Okay, cool. So that is the next thing that we got. You know, if there's anything in here too that I know that I'm not gonna use, but it comes in every single box, it's a great thing to put in other people's gifts. Not that like you're giving away stuff you don't want, but a lot of the time it's just stuff that like somebody else would have wanted. What?
Did you hear what happened?
No. Okay, so next thing in the box is this Intelligent Nutrients Plant Stem Cell Science Refining Micro Polish. So it looks like that. Let's see how much it retails for. $57. Sometimes I'm like, I don't know if these actually retail for that much, but smooths, exfoliates, super fine treatment, wipes away. Okay, I wonder if this is like the, what's it called? The Kate Somerville little hole. Oh, these are really small. Yeah, I can definitely feel them. They're like really, really tiny. They're probably the smallest little microbeads ever. These are really microbeads. So anyway, there's that. It says Intelligent is right. Unique formula is curated with plant jojoba beads, which are plant-based, biodegradable, and great for skin. Just massage it gently into skin and rinse to reveal refined pores and a refresh smooth face. So there it is. There's the product right there. And it is cruelty-free and green and organic. Cool. Okay, cool. So that's in there as well. And then we have this, which I believe everybody gets. So this is the Grace and Stella Rose Facial Spray. Craving a midday refresher? Just a spritz of rose-infused mist will leave you with a fresh, moisturized face. So this is what it looks like. Gorgeous packaging, and you get a freaking lot in here. That's crazy. This is retails for $25.95. That is really expensive. Probably way too expensive. But if you get it in your FABFITFUN, then whatever. I think all these things, by the way, like already pay for the box pretty much, but which is funny. But ooh, it's got a good mist on it. Just smells like rose. I do like rose facial spray. Hold on. They're really refreshing. You guys know I really like my Trader Joe's one, but this is such a good size and I really like it. So once I'm done with my Trader Joe's one, I'm just gonna use this. This is really cute. I love the packaging. And again, cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan, and sulfate-free. That's what we like to see, boys. That's what we like to see, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so next thing in the box, this is cool. This is an I Do liquid eyeliner from Ico. So let's see how much this is. Okay, this retails for $22 and it's just in the shade black. So let's pull it out. Just like that, let's see. Very black, you'd love to see it. This is what the tip looks like right here. And I'm always looking for new eyeliners, to be honest with you, because I feel like they go bad really fast. So I like to see that. This is not bleeding at all, which is good. And it's just a really nice matte black. So cool, that's another good eyeliner. I have a lot of Ico stuff because they sent me stuff once. And I can't remember why they did that. That was a long time ago. But they sent me, I think they sent me this before and I think I did like it. And I liked their sport ones too. They had like a waterproof sport and it was like a black one. It was really good. So they have good stuff and I think they're known for like their eyeliners and stuff. So the next thing we got are these Burn 63 resistance bands. So let's open this up because these actually look a little bit interesting. This though is one where I would probably have chosen something different So you could have also gotten this necklace, which is so cute. Look at this necklace. This retails for $50, or you could have got these, which are these silicone wine glasses. You know, you guys know I don't work out that much. But, you know, maybe this will get me in the mood to do it. Because they do send you like a lot of at-home workout stuff, which is cool. Like they'll send a jump rope or like those little slidey floor things. But, ooh, maybe these are actually going to be good for me. So these are like, this is what they look like. They're like little rubbery. You put them between your legs and stuff and you just like walk around. I don't know. But yeah, those retail for $34. And they're probably the most productive thing that I will get in this box. So there's that. Otherwise, you could have got the other things too, and I really want that necklace. Dang it. Next, we got these, which are the 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. So there's the box. This is a heavy box. Let me see how much this is. 2A. These retail for $160. What the fuck? Wait, why? All that glitters is gold. And this Decadent treatment mask is no exception. It features 24 karat gold and Rosa Damascena extract to brighten, soothe, and hydrate your skin. How many come in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 masks in here. Wow. These are $160? Holy crap. Yeah, I gotta try these. I'll let you know. Maybe I'll try one tonight and I'll let you know. I will say I don't think there's any benefit to gold in skincare, but I do like the fact that it was that much money. Wow, that gets me really curious. Wow, wow. Cool, I'll try this out. That's crazy. But what else could you have gotten instead? Let me just see really quick. You could have gotten these West Elm Indigo tie-dye bowls. Oh my god, I wish I could have something from West Elm. You also could have got a Summer and Rose Navy Diamond tote or a letterboard. Ooh, so anything, this is kind of like a boho one. So you could have gotten this letterboard up here. You could have gotten this tote bag, or you could have gotten, where's the other thing? These West Elm bowls.
Take a shower, is that okay?
These West Elm bowls. So, wow, wow. See, that's where it's like, you know, you could really push the limits of this stuff. But anyway, okay, so 2 more things in here. These I love and I'm very excited about. These are the Invisibobble, the traceless hair rings. I use these for my hair every single day. I actually use the same exact brand, and I use the crystal clear ones. And I like these because they match my hair, both of them. Sorry, Jarvis is getting in the shower. Kind of annoying, but what are you gonna do? These retail for $16. They are worth, I'm telling you, they're worth every penny. If you haven't used these yet, you need to, because they hold your hair in and it's not gonna move. Like, it's never gonna slide down. These are the best things ever, and I'm so glad that we got these because I actually lost all of my clear ones, and now I'm stuck with these like really random ones. It's just so weird, but they last. These are like the best brand to get. Because there's some that you can buy and they're just like so cheap and they break apart right away. So this is the best brand. So I'm glad we got those. Hell yeah. And then the last thing that I got is this thing right here. So this is the Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask. So definitely not going to show a tutorial on this one, but it said this is what it looks like right here. Oh wait, sorry, this is what it looks like right here. And it says it exfoliates, polishes, soothes, and smooths. So, use ideally at bedtime. Apply liberally and let dry. Go to bed and awake with softer. Ooh! Okay, and it's cruelty-free as well. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. So this retails for, this comes in everybody's box and it retails for $32. I feel like that Wish brand is actually pretty good. So anyway, yeah, that's everything that I got in my box this month. I would love to know what you got. And you know what? Here's one that I'll be totally honest. This has not been my favorite box. I think you can tell that it hasn't been my favorite box, but it could have, like, it really could have been. And that's what I love about FabFitFun, is that you can choose. Like, you can choose what you want, provided that you're a member, of course, but you can customize it. So, like, you know, this might be somebody's perfect box right here who, like, loves to work out or something, you know, whatever, and loves to exfoliate their feet. But I'm just saying, like, you know, there were so many options, and every box, there's more and more options, there's more and more ways to customize, so it's really kind of, you know, it could have been. It's just that I'm a YouTuber, so like we don't get to like necessarily choose everything that we get, but besides that, I mean, these are always good boxes. There's stuff in here, like right here, this paid for the box already, like these 2 things, so, and like I'm gonna use this because I I already used a whole bottle. I used a whole bottle of this and I loved it. It was so good. So that right there and then this, I'm like, I'm good. You know, I don't care that there's stuff in here where it's like, okay, I don't know if I'm gonna use that. But yeah, anyway, if you guys do want to sign up, hopefully that didn't deter you, because the last box that we got was literally so good. We got a pair of Key sunglasses. It was amazing. And I'm sure that the fall boxes are always lit. Just so lit. Like, just so lit. I can't even tell you. They're like the perfect like fall. Oh my god, the leaves are falling, you get your box in the mail. It's like everything's right with the world. It's so good. So anyway, if you do want to sign up though, again, you can use my code, which is Kiki, and you'll get $10 off your first box. And it's just fun because you can always come in and check with me, and I always do these unboxings, so it's like, you know, we always have something to talk about and, you know, do. But yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you liked it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!